Kalkaturi from 6th grade A. In this video, I made a Betawi house with my father, and I will explain it with photos. My teacher has told me the tools and how to make it completely, but because I used a cardboard that was a different size from my teacher's, I changed the size to 22 centimeters. Here are the steps. And this is the tools I use. First, we make the part of the house. Two square shapes for the front, two triangular half joined by a square for the sides, one part base and one part roof. For a height of 22 centimeters and for a width of 22 centimeters as well. In the triangle combined with a square, the square is 17 centimeters from the bottom, and for the triangle it is 5 centimeters. Second, conical the size into one piece. Third, cover the section to make it look beautiful. In this section, you can cover or color it. If you use a cover, make sure to cut out the extra part to make it look neat. Fourth, we make the sides fins cover with origami paper. Stick it with duct tape if you don't have hot glue. 5. Give the base under the fins the same length. Give glue and cover the base. 7. The cover of the base is add with plastic. Like, we made the front fins with ice cream stick by cutting the sticks to taste and dividing into two parts, namely for the right side and the left side. 9. Cover the parts that have not been covered. For example, the back, and give a door for the back door. That's how my father and I made a Betawi house. Thank you, and I hope it helps.
Hello, I want to make Betawi house. 1 steps, prepare all material. 1. Cardboard atau kardus. 2. Skisor atau gunting. 3. Cutter atau cutter.
Pisau.
4 ruler atau penggaris, 5 glue gun atau lem biasa juga bisa, 6 pensil atau pensil. Pertama-tama kita buat bolanya dulu biar rapi. Pertama kita buat polanya terlebih dahulu. To cut the paper.
Apa ini namanya? Glue. Apa?
Lempel, ngelem.
Lem apa? Bahasa Inggrisnya. Dah, selesai aja.